Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to activate Microsoft 365 for free. Firstly, click the Start menu and type Word or Excel in the search bar. If your laptop comes with a free 1-year Office subscription, follow these simple steps to activate it. Now, an activation screen will appear. Select the email account you want to link to Office, and if you don't have a Microsoft account, create one for free at Microsoft website. Then click on the green button to proceed. Enter your Microsoft account, email address and password, then click Next to continue. Read and accept Microsoft's terms by clicking on the green button, and Office will now be activated and will remain free until the expiration date, which is visible in the top right corner. After activation, you'll receive a confirmation email containing your activation code. Keep this code safe in case you need to reinstall Office later. Now you're all set to start using Word, Excel and PowerPoint and more. Just a pro tip, if Office is not pre-installed, you can download it from Microsoft website and log into your activated account. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.